who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.
Welcome to my channel and happy Monday. I'm just going to be filming a little day in my life. Today's original plan was to go to volunteering from about 8 to noon. Unfortunately, the person who was supposed to do my day one orientation called out sick. Because of that, I'm going to be starting when she's back. I guess the good news for me is that I just have a completely free Monday. It's 8 a.m. and I'm already out of the house. I'm going to go to a coffee shop. I brought my iPad, laptop, and my journal with me, so I'm kind of just going to make a plan for the day and then go from there. Just kind of take the day as it goes. I'm leaving the coffee shop. I had a great time. Did some YouTube stuff and I journaled. I got a really good keto chocolate donut and then I just got a black tea with honey. That was also really good. But I'm gonna head home now and just get some other stuff done. I just drove past the park and pulled over because it honestly looked really nice and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna have a moment. Like, I'm gonna go to the park, I'm gonna have like a cute little moment. But I decided to have my moment from the car and it was about 10 seconds long. I just people watched and it looked really nice. I imagined myself swinging on the swing so I didn't have to actually get out of the car and do it. It was a really fun time that I imagined, so I'm gonna head home now and I'll see you guys later. Welcome back. I've been home for a couple of hours. I read a little bit of my book. I did some more YouTube editing. Also, I just filmed my first sit-down video. Right now, I'm gonna do some GRE studying.
Lucky me, it's my cheat day. 'Cause I'm feeling for you lately. Just a little taste, it could do me good. Extra for the road if you kindly would. Can't sleep till I get mine.
Alright, I've been at this for about an hour. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna take a nap before I go on a walk. Shout out to the wind. Okay. Did not know there was a wind advisory today, but here's what it is. got home from my walk, had some tacos for dinner that my mom made. I'm trying out a new Trader Joe's herbal blend. I'm gonna read a little bit of my book, and then I'm just gonna wash up my face, do some skincare, and go to bed. But thank you so much for watching. I am excited to post some more, and please leave comments of anything that you would like to see me film in the future.
They can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city?